multiplication of two matrices. This is important and pay attention how to multiply two matrices. So let pay attention, it is important multiplication of matrix and it is easy. Let A be the matrix of order m into n. A be the matrix of order m into n and B the matrix of order n into p. Two matrices A and B can be multiplied. Condition for multiplication. Two matrices A and B can be multiplied only when number of column of first equal to number of rows of second. First matrix के column and second matrix के rows will be equal. Then multiplication is possible. A m into n multiply B n into p. It is possible only when number of column of first equal to number of rows of second and order of the resultant matrix. Suppose C is any resultant matrix, then its order will be number of rows of first and number of column of second. This is the order of resultant matrix. Hence, conclusion is two matrices A and B can be multiplied if and only if number of column of A is equal to number of rows of B. Two matrices can be multiplied only when number of column of first equal to number of rows of second. This is the condition for multiplication. For example, note it. For example, let A is equal to a matrix 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2. Its order is 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. B is equal to a matrix 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. Its order is 3 rows and 2 columns. Find AB. Solution. Given A is equal to 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2. B is equal to 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. Order of A, order of matrix A is equal to 2 into 3, 2 by 3. Order of matrix B is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, number of column of A three is equal to number of rows of B are equal. Therefore, so AB is adjacent. AB can be find out. After this, if AB is adjacent, now we will find AB. Condition is for multiplication is hold here. Condition of multiplication is hold here. So AB can be find out. Now AB 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2. Multiply 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. Now pay attention on multiplication. Row multiply with column. First row multiply with first column. Pay attention. 4 multiply 1. 4. 5 multiply 1. 5. 6 multiply with 1. First row, first column. Answer will be written in row. First row multiply with second column. 4 into 2. 8. 5 into 0. 0. 6 into 2. 12. Now second row multiply with first column. 0 into 1. 0. 1 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1 plus 2. Now second row multiply with second column. 0 into 2. 0. 1 into 0. 0. 2 into 2. 2. Now add it. You will get.
सर 2 into 2 4
10
गलत
plus
लिखा है
50.
सर 2 into 2 4 लिखना है वहां पे
40.
सर
Yes.
सर 2 into 4 नहीं सर 2 into 2 equals to 4 होता है, आपने 2 लिख रखा है।
ओके ओके, कोई बात नहीं।
सर आप
ओके
यस सर
4. Clear? Multiplication is clear or not? Any doubt?
नो
No sir.
We will solve one more example then. So now find BA. BA is possible here or not? Check whether BA is possible.
BA is possible.
Yes, sir.
BA is possible. BA is exist because order of B is equal to 3 into 2. Order of A is equal to 2 into 3. Number of rows of first. This number of column of first. Number of column of B is equal to number of rows of A. 2. Therefore, BA exists. So, BA is exist. ये इन जनरल पॉसिबल नहीं होता। ए भी एग्जिस्ट है तो कोई जरूरी नहीं है बी एग्जिस्ट हो जाए, रेयर केस में एग्जिस्ट होता है। इट इज नॉट ऑलवेज ट्रू। ए बी इज एग्जिस्ट एंड बी इज नॉट इन जनरल एग्जिस्ट। इन सम केसेस इट इज पॉसिबल। तो बी इज एग्जिस्ट। नाउ फाइंड बी ए। Write BA. So B is 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. Multiply 4, 5, 6, 0, 1, 2. row multiply with column, and answer is written in row. 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 0 plus 0. First row, first column. First row, second column. 1 multiply with 5, 5. रो कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, आंसर रो में लिखा जाएगा. 1 multiply 5, 2 multiply with 1, 1 multiply with 6, 2 multiply with 2. Now second row, first column, 1 multiply 4, 4, 0 multiply with 0, 1 second row, second column, 1 multiply 5, 0 multiply with 1, second row, third column, 1 multiply 6, 6, 0 multiply 2, third row, first column, 1 multiply 4, 2 multiply with 0, third row, second column, 1 multiply 5, 2 multiply with 1, 1 multiply 6, 2 multiply 2, 4. Now add it. 4, 7, 10, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6, 10. This is your answer. Its order is 3 by 2 and its order is 2 by 3. Answer of the resultant matrix: first matrix rows and second matrix column. 3 by 3. This is the way how to multiply two matrix. AB not equal to BA. AB not equal to BA in journal. Matrix multiplication is not commutative in journal. Properties of after what we do the practice. Question number 3 of exercise 3.2. प्रोडक्ट के लिए मैं प्रैक्टिस करा रहा हूं प्रोडक्ट की. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 सेकंड पार्ट. फाइंड प्रोडक्ट exercise 3.2. You have to multiply 1, 2, 3. Two, three, four. Its order is 3 by 1. This is column matrix and this is row matrix. 1 into 3. Multiplication is adjust and answer will be 3 by 3. So multiply it. First row multiply first column. 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4, 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4, 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 8, 9, 12. This is your answer. Also do third part. Practice of multiplication is necessary. You are multiplying -1, -2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. First row multiply with first column. Multiplication is possible because it is 2 by 2 matrix and it is 2 by 3 matrix. So number of column is equal to number of rows. Product is possible and answer will be of order 2 by 3. 1 multiply 1, 1. -2 multiply 2 -4. First row second column. 1 into 2, 2. -2 into -6. First row third column. 3 -2 multiply 1 -2. 2 multiply 1 2. 3 multiply 2 6. 2 multiply 2. 3 multiply 3 9. Second row third column. 2 into 3 6. 3 into 1 3. Simplify it. -3, -4, 1, 8, 4, 13, 9. Answer. Now you should solve one question. आप आंसर बताएंगे इसका. Fifth part. Multiply it on your copy. 2, 1, 3, 2, negative 1, 1. One zero, 1, 0, 1, negative 1, 2, 1. Multiply it and tell me the answer. Multiply it on your copy. Multiply. Do fast.
Sir.
Over.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What? चेक करो अपने आंसर को. आंसर शीट से सही आया गलत आया.
सर सही है.
ओके.
यस सर.
निकिता का हो गया. निकिता अग्रवाल.
Yes, sir.
डाउट तो नहीं है कोई.
No, sir.
मल्टीप्लिकेशन अच्छी तरह से आना चाहिए. अच्छा. सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Property of multiplication. Number 1, AB not equal to BA. In general, Generally not commutative. मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन जनरली नॉट कम्यूटेड, रेयर केस में होता है, इन जनरल नॉट इक्वल। वो मैं बता दूंगा कब इक्वल होता है। अभी सेकेंड एसोसिएटिव होता है, ए बी इंटू सी इज इक्वल टू ए बी सी। मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज एसोसिएटिव। मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन is associative। और I means identity matrix multiplied with A is equal to AI is equal to A. I is identity matrix where I is identity matrix fourth distributive law A B plus C। distributive law is hold here A B plus A C। लेफ्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव लॉ, लेफ्ट से मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, लेफ्ट से, so this is known as left distributive law। अगर ऐसे हो राइट से भी होता है B plus C into A। now it is BA plus CA। this is right distributive law because it right side से multiply हो रहा है इधर side and this is left, so this is known as left distributive and this is known as right distributive। cancellation law cancellation law see here cancellation law number one। cancellation law में two parts है, A B is equal to AC। if AB is equal to AC implies B is equal to C। if determinant A not equal to 0, ए तभी कैंसिल होगा अगर उसकी डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू नॉट इक्वल टू 0, देन ए विल बी कैंसिल, अदरवाइज नॉट। This A will be cancelled only when its determinant value is not equal to 0. Otherwise, cancellation law is not hold. Second B, BA is equal to CA is equal to B is equal to C. Determinant A not equal to 0. If ये कैंसिल तभी होगा if determinant is not equal to 0. If determinant is 0, then cancellation law is not hold. Sixth property, if AB is equal to 0, this does not imply A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. That product of two matrix is 0. If product of two matrix is 0, then it is not necessary both matrix are 0. दो मैट्रिक्स का मल्टीप्लाई 0 हो तो कोई जरूरी नहीं है बोथ मैट्रिक्स आर 0. एग्जांपल A is equal to 0, 3, 0, 0. B is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0. These matrices are not 0. This is not 0 matrix, this is not 0 matrix, but product AB